Hello, I'm Randy Swallow with Clark County Television. The Clark County Assessor's Office is required by Nevada state law to discover, list, and value all property in the county every year. This year, Nevada state certified appraisers have determined the taxable value of more than 728,000 parcels in Clark County, everything from aircraft and vacant land to commercial and agricultural properties. Of course, the majority of their appraisals, more than 631,000, are residential parcels, condos, apartments, houses, in other words, your home. The taxable value of property is the current market value of the land added to the current replacement cost of buildings minus depreciation. All owners of real or personal property in Clark County are required to pay taxes based on the assessed value of their property. The Clark County Assessor's Office determines the assessed value based on a ratio of 35% of the taxable value. So start checking your mailbox. A notice of value card showing taxable value for next year will be mailed to property owners by December 18, 2011, and the entire property tax roll is required by law to be published in the Las Vegas Review-Journal newspaper. Look for that to appear by the end of the year. If you don't receive a notice of value card, don't worry. All property values, including yours, can be found directly on the Assessor's Office website at www.clarkcountynv.gov/assessor. Once you receive your notice of value card, you should be looking at two things. First, whether the taxable value has exceeded the market or full cash value of the property. And second, to ensure the Assessor's Office has valued your home to similarly situated properties. If you have an issue with either of those, you should start what is called the appeal process.
Assessor's Office, may I help you?
The Assessor's Office encourages you to contact them and is a valuable resource in answering your questions and assisting you with appeal information, forms, and instructions. Their telephone number is 702-455-4997. English and Spanish-speaking appraisal experts are also available at the Assessor's Office on the second floor of the Clark County Government Center, 500 Grand Central Parkway. Nevada revised statute sets the annual deadline to file an appeal. This season's deadline to appeal with the County Board of Equalization is January 17, 2012. You must be the actual property owner to file an appeal. However, if you wish someone to file for you, a family member, an attorney, or a realtor, for example, a letter of authorization must be filed with the Assessor's Office. And now that you've filed your appeal, you will be scheduled to appear here and present your position to the Clark County Board of Equalization.
So yes. It was filed and signed by the owner?
Yeah, my question has more to do with an appraiser.
The members of the County Board of Equalization are appointed by the Clark County Board of Commissioners. They are citizens of the community and are not employees of the Assessor's Office. The BOE hearings are considered formal proceedings and must comply with Nevada open meeting laws. But don't worry, a member of the board will explain this and present the standard protocol prior to your appearance. And finally, the board will make a ruling based on your appeal of property value.
So I'm going to make a recommendation. We accept the assessor's recommended value of $1,984,908 based on that information.
Not on the property taxes or your ability to pay them. Prior to appearing before the BOE, you are encouraged to do some homework on your property, and one of the best tools is right on your computer, the Assessor's Office website. Go to their property records search and then choose the neighborhood sales tool. Property owners should prepare documented evidence to support their position. For example, verify characteristics of your home, including the number of bedrooms and baths, square footage, other specifics such as whether you have a garage, a swimming pool or spa, and any other added improvements. The old real estate adage of location, location, location is vital too. Research the best sales of your comparable neighborhood properties most similar to your own. The Assessor's website is useful. The most recent sales of properties can be found on the website listed under Property Records. All this evidence will help support your position, and as the petitioner, the burden of proof to reduce your property's valuation is on you or your representative. During every BOE hearing, a deputy district attorney will provide legal counsel to the board. and the clerk will keep the official minutes. You will have to present your case, and the board will typically make a decision immediately following your testimony. The decisions reached by the board are in place for 1 year only, and every property will be reappraised by the assessor's office for the next fiscal cycle. So let's review these important dates. December 18th, 2011. Notice of value cards will be mailed to all Clark County property owners. January 17th, 2012. That is the deadline for you to file an appeal with the County Board of Equalization. Throughout the months of January and February 2012, the County Board of Equalization meets to hear taxpayer appeals. And March 10th, 2012. If you disagree with the County Board of Equalization's decision, you are welcome to appeal that result to the Nevada State Board of Equalization. If you have any questions regarding the appeal process, contact the assessor's office at 702-455-4997 or visit their webpage at www.clarkcountynv.gov/assessor. Thanks for watching this video. We hope that it helps you understand the property values appeals process a little bit better. Remember, all weekday Board of Equalization hearings will be broadcast live right here on Channel 4. I'm Randy Swallow. We'll see you again next time.